Bizagi's low-code automation platform makes it as easy to create apps as 1, 2, 3. Compose your apps in the experience matrix to assign activities to personas. Extend your app using the wizard view in Bizagi Studio to create composable elements such as forms and business rules. And then customize your app interface. Here is how to create an app for the customer onboarding process using Bizagi. We begin in the experience matrix. The first step is to create the required personas of the account executive and the sales manager, and the business objects that they are going to interact with, the customer. Within the customer entity, we can define their attributes, such as name, email, date of birth and photo. We can then add the product to the matrix, and define the actions that personas can take. In this example, the account executive can create a new customer, and the manager can view customer information or create a new product. Once you've created these reusable elements of personas, data and processes in the experience matrix, you can use them again in other apps to save time and provide a consistent experience. Next, let's take a look at how to use the process wizard to define the customer onboarding process. The first step is to create the process model. Map out your process with all the necessary steps, from entering customer information to approval and saving their information to the CRM. Next up, define your data model. Specify what data you need for each entity by using a graphical wizard. The next step is to define the forms in Bizagi Forms Designer. These are used to collect the customer information and are easy to build using the drag and drop interface. You can add reusable forms that you've already created to save time. You can also copy forms to other steps in the process and amend it to fit the specific step. Here, for example, we can reuse the customer information form and add a field for approval, and one for any additional comments to add clarity. Next up is defining business rules. In this process, business rules can be used to automatically approve applicants who have a good credit score. The fifth step is to define performers who can participate in each step. Here, you specify that only sales managers can make approvals. Now you can click the Generate App button to launch your pre-built application ready for testing. You can also customize the user interface so it reflects your own company's branding. You will get a comprehensive view of all your information in a dashboard. You can then edit it to fit in with your own branding. You now have a slick tailored app with an overview of all your customers ready for onboarding. You can break down the products and dig into the different customer onboarding reports. Create a customer using the process and form defined in the step 2. And it's as easy as that to create your new low-code app in Bizagi. Bizagi Apps is the easiest way to create robust enterprise applications with built-in governance. Bizagi can help you accelerate development with reusable business objects, design personalized experiences for different users based on their needs, and integrate reporting tools to present valuable information and inform decision-making. Are you ready to get started? Contact Bizagi today to see how you can create modern apps powered by process.